today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set and track your goals in Todoist. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go inside the app to turn on goal tracking and how to use it to stay consistent with your tasks. First, open Todoist on your computer. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your photo, your initials, or a simple user avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where Todoist keeps your personal options and account controls, and it's the starting point for getting into your productivity and goal settings. When the menu opens under your profile, you'll see several options related to your account. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. This takes you to the main settings area where you can adjust how Todoist behaves, how it looks, and how it tracks your work. We're heading here because goal tracking is considered part of your overall productivity setup. Inside the settings window or panel, you'll see a list of sections on the side or across the top, depending on your layout. Find the section called Productivity and click on it. The Productivity section is where Todoist gathers everything related to how you work: stats, streaks, and of course, goals. Think of it as your control center for building better habits in the app. Once you're in the Productivity section, look for the area labeled Goals. Here, Todoist will guide you through a few on-screen prompts to set things up. Follow those prompts carefully. You might be asked to choose what kind of goals you want, such as completing a certain number of tasks each day or each week. You can usually adjust how ambitious you want these goals to be, so pick numbers that feel challenging but realistic. As you go through the prompts, take a moment to think about your schedule. If you're just starting out, it can help to set lower daily or weekly targets, then increase them once you're consistently hitting your goals. Todoist will use these settings to track your progress automatically, so you don't have to log anything manually. After you're done, your goals will appear in your productivity view, where you can check in regularly, see your streaks, and stay motivated. That's all you need to do to set and track your goals in Todoist. Once it's configured, just use Todoist as you normally would, and let the app keep score for you in the background.